students, I hope you all are safe at home. So students, today we'll talk about chapter 6 of English, that is the village school. Okay, so let's begin with our chapter. Tabassum, Taranum and Robina are three inspiring young girls. So inspiring means fill with someone to do something, fill with someone with the desire or urge to do something, that is inspiring. So they are three girls named Taranum, Tabassum and Rubina. So they have changed the face of the little village of Sajoi near Varanasi for good. Near Varanasi for good. So change the face of means changed how something was. So they have changed the face of the little village of Sajoi near Varanasi for good. Now there was a time when no child in the village took education seriously. Girls would drop out of school to help their mothers, and the people of the village refused to see the importance of good education. So what the people of Varanasi, of that village, what they are doing, they were thinking that education is not important. So girls would drop out of school to help their mothers, and the people of the village, what they were doing, they refused to see the importance of a good education. So they were thinking that education is not important. Okay, so now what happened? So now in our village, so now they were discussing, the three of these girls, they were discussing themselves, what in our village nobody studied. We, the three of us, were the only ones who finished school and went to the study further. Okay, so some of the children had never even stepped out of the village. The children from the Basti start working at a young age and ignore their education, says Tabassum. So what she said that we three of us were the only ones who finished school, and were the only ones who went to study further. And the children from that Basti means area where people with lower incomes live. Okay, so that is called Basti. So start working at a young age and ignore their education. So says Taranum. So says Tabassum. So these words are said by Tabassum. Okay, now what had happened? The girls decided to take matters into their own hands. They started going door to door to ask students to go to school. So now what they did, they decided to take matters into their own hand. To take matters into their own hands means to decide to do something themselves. To decide to do something themselves. So they decided to decide to do something themselves. So now they started going door to door. Now what they did, they started going door to door to ask students to go to school. Now what had happened? They got in touch with the Human Welfare Association and NGO in Varanasi, which trained them to take on this challenge and provided them with support. Now they got the NGO Association and NGO in Varanasi, which trained them to take on the challenge and provided them with support. Now, so they got Human Welfare Association and NGO in Varanasi. So now what happened? The girls found a small public place where they started a school. So now what they did, now the girls they found a small public place where they started a school. Now that is school, the school which which they got in public place, the school was meant for the children, who had never stepped out of their home or had dropped out of school because of problems at home. So now what had happened, it was very difficult in the beginning. Students would just not show up, but we knew if we gave up easily, our mission would remain incomplete. So we would go to their houses every day and ask them to come to our school, and finally after 6 months of doing this, students started coming to school without us having to drag them from their homes. So now what happened? It was very difficult. It was very difficult for them in the beginning. So that time students would just not show up. But they knew that if they give up easily, so their mission would remain incomplete. So what they decided, they went their houses every day, door to door. They went door to door to ask them to go to school and ask them to come to their school. So they did. What they did? They go out. They go door to door and they ask them to come to their school. Okay, now after that what happened? Finally after 6 months of doing this, students started coming to school without us having to drag them from their homes. So now in the first month they had 35 students. So in the first month they had 35 students only. But after the year what had happened? They managed to enroll over 170 students in the school. Now the strength of the student increased up to over 170 students in their school. Okay. Now however, the battle was only half won. As far as they was concerned, the biggest challenge was to bring in the girls who had left school altogether. Now what happened? The battle was only half won. This means, what it means? They had only done half of what they had planned to do. So now what they had only done half of the work what they had planned to do. Now their parents did not want these girls to leave their homes. They thought going to school was a waste of time for them, as they could do household work during the day, she says. So the parents of the girls, what they were thinking, they were thinking that the parents did not want these girls to leave their homes. They thought going to school was a waste of time. So that's all they were thinking for them, as they could do household work during the day, as she says. So they are thinking like that going to school is a waste of time for them. Now they started a small tailoring center at the school so that the families would let their daughters come there. Now what happened? Now they started a small tailoring center at the school so the families would let. What they did? They started a small tailoring center. Okay. Now when the girl came to learn tailoring, we started teaching them as well. So when they learned about tailoring, so what they were doing, they started teaching them as well. So many parents got angry and asked us why we were teaching them when they had been sent to learn tailoring. We we will tell them, we would tell them that tailoring requires some measurements and calculations and basic education is necessary for that. Okay, now so now what had happened, the girls, when the girls came to learn tailoring, they we started teaching them as well. Okay, now their efforts their efforts led to the transformation of the village. Now the transformation of the village takes place now. What happened, when they first started their school in 2007, only 2 or 3 people in the village were educated. Now 90% of the children including girls go to school. So the transformation would takes place. What, when they first started their school in 2007, so only 2 or 3 people in the village were educated. Now 90% of the children including the girls were educated. Okay, now says that the girls proudly, 90% of the children including girls go to school. The greatest triumph for the girls came when not just the children but their mothers to begin to show an interest in education. There are several women in the village now who no longer use their thumb impression as signature but can sign their own names. So in that village, several women in the village now who no longer use their thumb impression. So what they're using, they as their thumb impression as signature what can sign their own names. So they sign their own names. Now what happened after this? So but all this way not easy. We faced many challenges. The people of the village would shout at us and say that we were a bad influence. What they said, we were a bad influence on their girls. So bad influence means to encourage people to think or act in a wrong way. So that is bad influence. And thumb impression, what do you mean by thumb impression? Thumbprints which are used in place of signature. Okay, so we faced many challenges. The people of the village would shout at us and say that we were a bad influence on the girls. It was humiliating. So it was humiliating means making someone feel stupid or ashamed. Okay, so that is humiliating. We would go home and cry, but it was our parents' support that kept us going. Kept us going. Without them we wouldn't have achieved anything, says Tabassum. So we have proud everyone. What they did, they said that we have proved everyone wrong. Okay, now the people who used to mock them are coming forward to support them as they see the positive change in the village. So they see the positive change in their village. So the people of the village even the people who used to mock them are coming forward for their help. Okay, now what happened, the people of the village even arranged for electricity so that the fans and lights would work in the school. We can't give the children degrees, so we give them a good education and help them connect to good school. So they said we can't give the children degrees, so we give them a good education and help them to connect to good schools. Okay, now the TERU has managed to work successfully with over 250 children so far, and they continue to get more admissions every day. Along with teaching, the girls are now completing the college education. They are studying information technology. Okay, so along with teaching, the girls are now completing their college education. Studying they studying in information technology. We would just like to say this to everyone. Please to please let your daughter and sons study and do whatever you can for your village, as people they need you. Concludes Taranum. Concludes Tabassum. So, last, what they said, we would just like to say what they said, Tabassum and Taranum. Tabassum, that we would just like to say this to everyone. Please let your daughter. So they request to every people of that village that let your daughter and sons study and do whatever you can for your village, as people that need you. They need you. So concludes Tabassum. Okay. So now we have read the chapter. I hope you all enjoyed the session. Thank you.